In this video, I will show you how you can convert a photo to PDF on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone, and from here just select a photo which you want to convert to PDF. For an example, I will select this photo, and after you select the photo which you want to convert, then tap on the three dots over here and select Print. Now just tap on the drop down arrow over here and select Save as PDF. After you do that, then just tap on the download icon over here. Now in the Files app, just select a folder where you want to save the PDF. For an example, I will select this folder, and over here just tap on Save. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the Files app, now if you open the folder where you have saved your PDF, you will find the file which we have converted to PDF form. As you can see, this is the photo which we have selected. As you can see, we have successfully converted this photo to PDF. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.